What if I told you that the most powerful words in English aren't the long, complicated ones? What if they're the short, so-called basic ones? Today, we're going to dive into how just a few simple words can pack a universe of meaning. Turns out, basic doesn't mean simple, it means essential.
Just think about that for a second. Could you really get through your day? Express every single thought, feeling, and need you have with a vocabulary of only 850 words. It sounds almost impossible, right? But that idea is the very foundation of a system called Basic English.
So this BE850 list, it was created to be a kind of universal toolkit for communication. The whole point wasn't to dumb down English, not at all. It was to distill it down to its absolute most crucial, most versatile parts. So, what's the secret? What does it take for a word to get on this very exclusive list? To really get a feel for it, we're going to put one single word under the microscope, the word desire. By digging into just this one word, we can pretty much see the blueprint for what makes any word truly essential. Now, here's what's so fascinating about desire. It's kind of living a double life. It's on the basic English list, perfect for beginners, but get this. It's also on the academic vocabulary list, which is used in high-level research and debate. So how on earth does one word bridge that massive gap? Well, let's find out. Okay, the first key to its power is its flexibility. The truly basic words are total shapeshifters. And desire is a perfect example because it plays two critical roles, as a noun representing a feeling and as a verb representing an action. See, as a noun, desire is that spark inside you, that feeling of want that you hold. But as a verb, it becomes the action, the forward motion of going after that want. It's really the difference between having a dream and actually chasing it. Let's look at an example. She has a desire to win. Here, desire is the fuel in her tank. It's not the action of winning, it's the internal engine that's driving her to do it. Now look at this one. Love is my desire. In this case, desire isn't the feeling itself, it's the destination. It's the actual thing being sought. So the noun form is just incredibly efficient. It can be both the feeling inside and the goal outside. Okay, so let's switch gears and see it in action as a verb. I desire your company. This is a direct, active expression of wanting something. It shows how the verb form is just as vital for communicating clearly. And here's another thing that makes a basic word so useful. Its mechanics are simple. Desire is what we call a regular verb. It follows a super predictable pattern. Desires, desired, desiring. There are no weird exceptions to memorize, which is absolutely essential for a word that's meant to be used for clear international communication. But wait, there's more. The power of desire doesn't just stop with the word itself. A truly basic word acts like a hub, connecting to a whole family of related concepts. It's like a gateway to expressing even more nuanced ideas. Just think about its synonyms. Sure, desire can mean a simple wish or want, but it can also carry the weight of an aspiration. It really covers the entire spectrum of human longing, all the way from a passing thought to a lifelong goal. The word itself is like a launch pad. From desire, you can build words like desirous and desirable. But, and this is really important, it forms a crucial partnership with another basic word, need. Together, those two allow us to make that critical distinction between what we simply want and what we absolutely must have. So, after our deep dive into just one word, desire, what have we learned? We started by asking what it takes to get onto that list of the 850 most essential words. And I think now we have the answer. A basic word is a true powerhouse. It's versatile, right? It can be a noun and a verb. It taps into a core human emotion that everyone understands. It serves as a hub, connecting to a whole network of other ideas. And it's simple to use, with no tricky grammar rules. That's the formula. That's what makes a word essential. So you see, calling these words basic is, well, it's just really misleading. These aren't simple words for simple thoughts. They are the structural pillars of our language, and they're strong enough to build everything from a casual conversation to the most profound expressions of who we are. So, I'll leave you with this question. Think about some of those other basic words, like love, time, give, or make. Which one holds the most power for you? Thanks for joining us for this explainer.